On December the 27th, 1911, the national anthem Jan Gan Man was first sung at the Calcutta session of the Congress. It is the first stanza of the Bengali hymn Bharato Bhagyo Vidhata, written by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore.
Punjab, Sindhu, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravid, Utkal, Bongo, Vindhya, Himachal, Jamuna, Ganga, Uchchal, Jaladhi, Tarango.
Jan Gan Man was adopted as the country's national anthem by the Constituent Assembly of India on January the 24th, 1950.
Reverence to the national anthem is a fundamental duty in India. According to Article 51A of the Constitution, it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem.
Tavo Shubho